Hey guys, welcome to My Sew Bliss. Today I'm so excited to share with you my January fabric haul. Now, January is barely halfway over and I've done a little bit of fabric shopping and I'm really excited to share with you what I found, and hopefully I don't find anything else throughout the end of the month, till the end of the month. We'll see. I can't keep my promises though. But I found some really great stuff and I'm so excited about it. I can't wait to start making, so I thought I have to share before I even start making. So the first fabric is this gorgeous twill, and I got this from Raspberry Creek Fabrics, one of my favorite online fabric stores. They have so many good fabrics for making your own clothing, and I just love their choices. So these are going to be super fun. I'm going to make them into some shorts. And if you want to hear more about what my sewing plans are with all this fabric and what my plans are for the year, make sure to check out my other video, my 2020 sewing plans. The next fabric I got was this gorgeous coral rayon chalice. This is also from Raspberry Creek Fabrics, and it's just super lightweight and super flowy and drapey. So I want to make a jumpsuit out of this one. I think it's gonna be super pretty, and I think it'll look good on my skin tone. That's something I always have a hard time figuring out, but I'm excited about this one. I think it'll look really good. The third fabric I got is this window pane. It's an Essex linen by Robert Kaufman, and it is so gorgeous. This one's also purchased from Raspberry Creek Fabrics. If you can't tell, I have a small addiction to them, but I love linens, especially in the summer, but really any time of the year I'll take them. And this one is just so pretty. I'm going to make this one into a button-up shirt that I'm really excited to try. I haven't tried out that pattern yet, so this will be a fun one, and I think this fabric will look really good. I'm actually going to pair it with this twill. I think that'll look really nice together, shorts and the shirt. And then also from Raspberry Creek Fabrics, I got another rayon chalice, this gorgeous print. I have no idea what I'm going to make with it, but it's just so pretty, and they're going to retire this fabric soon. So I had to snatch some of it up. I'll probably make a shirt out of it. I just don't know what kind yet, but I think it's just the prettiest florals. I am a sucker for florals, and anything kind of like a watercolored look is so fun for me. So that was a fun one. And then the last piece of fabric that I got from Raspberry Creek Fabrics is this buttercup yellow linen. And of course, like yellow, it was screaming to me. Usually you only see the linen in like a mustard color. So seeing it in this buttercup lemon yellow was just perfect. I love how this one looks. And I'm gonna make some Burnside bibs. There's some overalls from Sew House 7. So I'm really excited about this one. It's gonna be really good for a spring outfit that I'm gonna wear for a conference. And then for my last three fabrics, I got a red knit. This is just from Joann's. And I got this to make a few t-shirts for me and my boys. I'm hoping to come out with a tutorial for the Super Bowl, a little sports fan kind of shirt. I think this fabric will be perfect for that. So that'll be really fun. You can stay tuned for that video. And then I got, this was on clearance. I believe it was 50% off. I had been eyeing it since fall when it came out, also from Joann's, and have no idea what I'm going to make with it, but it's just a stretchy knit and super pretty print. I think it'll just make it like a nice classic tee or something, but we'll see. I'll keep it around until something pops up at me. And then the final fabric that I got, I'm really excited about this. I've been wanting some corduroy, and the corduroy at Joann's was 60% off. And so I got this gorgeous like rust color, and I'm thinking I need to make some overalls for fall. Yes, I'm already thinking about the fall, because if I don't, I will be way behind and they will not get made. So hopefully I can get these made by fall 2020. That would be awesome, because I think they would look really nice. So I'm really excited about all the fabrics I got. I have so many fun projects in mind. Again, you can go check out the video all about the projects I'm going to be working on in 2020. And I would love to hear your guys' input. Where do you guys like to go fabric shopping, and what are your plans for sewing in 2020? So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. If you want any more sewing tips or tricks, make sure to check me out on Instagram at MySewBliss, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!